Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this keto 7-layer dip. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. I'm going to make a 7-layer dip. It is going to be perfect for all of your summer barbecues. I've already got a pound of ground beef that I've cooked and crumbled in this skillet. And I've seasoned it with salt. And I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of onion powder, garlic powder, cumin, and chili powder. So half a teaspoon of all of the seasonings to season our ground beef. So we're just going to stir all that in and let it simmer for a few minutes just to let those seasonings get into the meat. So honestly, I'm not really in on what is a traditional 7-layer dip, but for keto, it sounds perfect to add ground beef, and then we're going to add all of our layers, and they're all keto-friendly layers. We don't need any bean dip or anything like that. It's gonna be perfect, and you can eat it with vegetable strips, or you can eat it with pork rinds, or you can eat it with some homemade keto-friendly tortilla chips. So our ground beef is looking good. So I'm gonna pull this off of here and then get everything set up to start layering up our dip. Okay, our first layer is our ground beef. So I'm gonna spread that in the bottom of this 9x13 casserole dish. Okay, our second layer is sour cream. So I'm just going to squeeze some out with this convenient squeeze container here, and then just kind of spread it out as best as you can. I know it's kind of difficult to spread sour cream on top of ground beef, but it doesn't have to be perfect because it's going to be in layers and nobody's going to know. I'm going to add a little bit more where there's some empty spots. Okie dokie. Our next layer is taco sauce. So you can use whatever taco sauce you like. You can use hot, you can use mild, you can use, I think this is medium. So I'm just going to spoon this on. This is a half a cup here. I might need to use more. I'm just gonna spoon it on top of the sour cream. And I'm gonna guess that I used about 3/4 of a cup of sour cream. Now we can just kind of spread that all around. And mixes in with our sour cream. Okie dokie. Next layer is shredded lettuce. This is just already shredded bagged lettuce from the grocery store. It's perfect for this simple taco dip. Spread it out in a layer. Okay, next up is cheese. Got about 2 cups in this bowl. I'm not sure if I'm going to use all of it. Probably 1.5 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. Okay. I'm going to add some diced tomatoes. Probably about 1 cup of diced tomatoes. And our last layer is sliced olives, sliced black olives. If you don't like olives, you can definitely leave them out. I love olives, so I'm going to put extra. Look at that dip. It looks so good. So we've got our taco dip all ready, and you don't have to eat this as a dip. You could just eat it like it's a taco in a bowl. That's what you can call it, taco in a bowl. It's just everything that's inside of a traditional taco in a casserole dish. So I'm going to scoop some up with this pork rind and show you all that we've got going on here. Go all the way down to the bottom and get everything scooped up. Just like that. Dang, that's good. Tastes just like a taco. Be sure you check out this recipe, this other video here for my chicken taco, what was it? Instant Pot chicken tacos. Check that out and have you guys a fiesta night. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye.